Hello, my name is Arifuddin and this is Financial Maths. Hello, welcome back. We are now in chapter 3. This is the first question of chapter 3. A family wishes to accumulate 50,000 in a college education fund at the end of 20 years. If they deposit 1,000 in a fund, okay. Now I have drawn the timeline. In this chapter, we will use the formula of either A angle N or some angle N. This is for NUT immediate. So I have drawn the timeline. This is at time 0 is 1,000. 1,000 will be paid in each year for the first 10 years, and 1,000 plus X will be paid in each year in next 10 years. So how to calculate? We will use the formula of S 10 is equal to 1,000, and we will use the formula of S, which is 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. And then we will get the accumulated value from this deposit at here. So we will get 131,816.44796. Note that this formula we will calculate if they pay the same value each year, and the interest we will include it in this value. Correct. Okay. And then we will search for AV at 20. AV at 20 is sum of 10 for this, sum of 10 for this, plus the value of this, and then 1 plus I to the power of t. At here, it will be accumulated with interest just like in chapter 1 and 2. So formula will be, and then we search for value of x, and now we're here. So from here we can directly search for value of x. After we solve for x, the value of x will be 651.72. That is what question 1. We are moving on to the question 4. Hello, welcome back. We are now in question 4. So there are two people. First, he borrows 20,000 for 8 years and repays for the level and the payment. And for B, also borrows 20,000 but only interest at due each year. So I already drawn the timeline for A. R is actually the payment that the A need to pay each month. to repay the loan. But it's not as simple as dividing 20,000 with 8, but 20,000 will be equal to R A A N. How to get for R is equal to 20,000 over A. So will be use the formula, and that this is the formula. This is the value which A needs to pay every month, including interest. Interest included. Interest included. Okay. So the total interest each is 3546, the value of R, and minus the 20,000 to get the only the interest. So the value of interest is 8372.90. So this is for A. For B, interest can be found as simple as ABC, like this. Interest is equal to 0.085 times 20,000, and the answer is, this is for every month. So for 8 months, the total interest, just multiply 1,700 with 8, and you will get 13,600. So the difference will be just minus with both B and A. So the answer is 5227.12. That's it for question 4. Moving on to the question 12. Hello, welcome to question 12. Okay, sorry. This is a quite hard question if we don't understand, but to make you understand better, I already drawn the timeline. Okay, I will complete it. Okay, I have completed the timeline. So actually the payment of 100 per quarter, which is 1/4 year or 3 months, are made from 7 year Z until December 7, year Z plus 11. So okay, this is year Z, this is year Z plus 8, Z plus 11, Z plus 12. I've only drawn the needed information, just like A, B and C. Z plus minus 1, Z plus 8, Z plus 12. So okay, at A, find the present value on September 7, Z minus 1. So when the question tells you that present value is on September 7, Z minus 1, so you can make T 0 is at September year Z minus 1. Oh, before that, I forgot to tell you that this is September. S is for September, D is for December, M for March, J for June, S for September, and so on. So how to find the present value? The present value is equal 100 is angle 49 minus A angle 2. Okay, how to get this? For present value, we will use formula A, right? So we just search for present value from 2 until from 3 until 49. We will minus with A2 because we will only make payment at T is equal to 3 until 49. Before and after that, there is no payment. So we will compute the formula. Okay, so the answer will be 3256.88. So moving on to B. B is asked for current value for on March 7 Z at year Z plus 8. So current value will be calculated with, as usual, 100 sum of 32. Sum 32 is we get 32 from the current value for, okay, so 32 will get from here. This is 34, right? But 34 will be subtracted with 2 because there is no payment at 0, 1 and 2. So we will take 32 and then minus with, we will take the value from above. So 49 minus 34 is 15. A, we will use A. Yes, sum minus A for current value. Just remember the formula and you will succeed to get the answer. Okay, I will compute the formula as usual. Okay, so that is the answer for B. So next is C. C, it asks for the accumulated value for on June 7 Z plus 12. As we know, the payment only done until December 7 year Z plus 11, right? So for AB, we will search for throughout the timeline. So 49. Yes, the June 7 Z plus 12 is at 51, but only until 49 we have the payment. So 49, sum 49 minus sum 2. Sum 2 is where this is not, we don't have payment here. Or 100 at front. I forgot that. Okay, as usual, we will compute the formula. Okay, so the answer is, it will be 6959.37. Okay, that is for question 12. Next is question 13. Okay, so the last question is simplify A angle 15, 1 plus B 15 plus B 30 to one symbol. So actually this is a simple question and the answer is very simple. So let's just take a look. So we just put it back. Okay, so we will change this to 1 minus B. This is formula O for A angle, B15 over I. 1 plus B15 plus B30. So just expand. Okay, then we can expand it here. Okay, so the value below will be same, so we can just add the value above. So we will get 1 minus V45 over I. So we can change back to A angle, so the answer is A angle 45. That's it for chapter 3. Goodbye.